everyone, welcome to my day 3 SAP session. So I hope you all watched my previous videos, and today I am going to start again. Why? Because this is the server which I have created previously. That accounts are deleted. So today I am going to start again configuring from the beginning. So this is also helpful you guys to recap everything. I am going to configure from the beginning now. So I'm going into tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, and SAP reference IMG. So we are configured for enterprise structure, definition, and financial accounting. Now we are going to creating a company, that is define company. So here we have to click on the new entries. So I'm giving here AT01 and I will give company as not Reliance Industry. TCS also used. So I just use Accenture Private Limited and Street Silk Board, and I'm giving pin code 560100, city Bengaluru, and country India IN, and language English EN, and currency INR. Okay, these are the basic information required for company creation. Okay, I have creating company. Then we have one button here that is save, and we can do Control S also. I have saved now. Company is created. If you want to see your created company one, you can search here with our company code which we have given. It is 01. It is 01. It is created as Essential Private Limited. Now we are going to create for company code. Define company code. Here we have to click on the edit company code data. Here also same thing, new entries. I'm giving my company code also 8001 only, and a company name. This is a company code is a nothing but branch. Accenture Private Limited. We have another branch. So we have only one branch. So I'm giving same address, all the details. Country India, currency INR, language EN. Okay, all the information. The entry already exists with same key. Someone has created a company code with this 8001, so I will just create with another. I will give JT JT JT01. Okay, in title you have to select company, and you can give here also company detail, Accenture Private Limited, and here you can give street or home number that I given as Silk Board, and city Bengaluru, and country INR. You can fill all the information here. Also you can give region means it is state. You can select state also. KA means Karnataka. Then enter. Postal code Bangalore must should be 6 lane. Okay. So this is actually pin code 560100, and here it is Bengaluru cities. Okay, control S save. So we have created a company code. So we can create how many branches we have, that many branches we can create here. But the company is same. Now going back to configure for credit control area. Credit control area, this is nothing but every branch give credit limit to their customer. If any credit in credit basis they are selling to any customer, so the credit limit will be we are configuring. They have to give credit limit up to 10 lakh. More than 10 lakh they can't give credit limit. So we are configuring for our company code is JT01. JT01 company in a silk board, they can give their customer only limit up to 10 lakhs. I'm giving limit as a 10 lakh. Here currency is INR, and you can see credit limit. I'm giving up to 10 lakh. So more than 10 lakh they can't give. Okay, credit control area is created. Now I'm creating a business area, different business area. Here also same new entries. So our company code is JT01, and this is business area of Bangalore. So I have to create one business area. We have created that one, and we will create another one as a consolidated example. In Bangalore location we have a multiple branch, so we can consolidate all of them. So when we are doing financial report, we do the consolidation. So that business area is the individual one, this is the consolidated one. So this is the consolidated business area of Bengaluru. Okay, so now defining is done for company, company code, credit control area, business area, and consolidated business area. So now we have to assign this with our company to company codes. Definition is done. Here is the assignments. Same thing, financial accounting. So here you can see assign company code to company. We have a company code JT01 and our company will be AT01. And here also company code to credit control area and business area to consolidated business area. We have to configure for 3 steps. So here no new entry will come, just you have to click on the position. So our company code is JT01. So our company created is AT01. So we are assigning our company code to company. Okay, then I'm going back and assigning company code to credit control area. Position, I will search. My company code is JT01, and credit control area also we created with JT01 only. Okay, then save. Okay, now last one more step, business area to consolidated business area. Our company code is JT01, and we have created a business area also with JT01 consolidated business area, and save. Okay, now we have assigned all the things, company code to company, company code to credit control area, and business area to consolidated business area. So this is enterprise structure is done, configuration is done. So now I am going into the financial accounting. In financial accounting we have to configure for the ledgers and fiscal year variant and posting periods. So here we have to configure for the fiscal year, which year we are following, the calendar year or any other financial year. It depends on the country. For US they will follow Jan to December. India will follow April to March, the financial period. So I'm just configuring with our company code which calendar we are following. So here we have a one standard one V3. This is our Indian calendar, April to March, this one. So I'm just clicking on this. So I'm just copying this one. So I'll change it to, I'll give variant as a JT, which relates to my company. So I created and double click on the periods. Data must be saved after copying. Yes. Already someone is using this one. I'll just cancel V3 and just copy. I'll give J0. We'll see this one anyone created. Okay, this is created and I will select this one JO. Then I'll double click. Data must be saved after copying. Yes. Then save. Okay. So in this one, we have a, give me a minute. Yes, 2026. Okay, I'm coming back. So V3, physically are not created properly. Okay, let me come back. This April to March special period, Stan USA. Okay, this is what we copied. JO is our one. Position our creator one is JO. So this is the one. Double click on periods. Yes. So here we have to give month, day and period and shift years. I'll just open Excel. Okay, it's already there. The last section we have discussed. You can see month, day, period and year shift. And here also we have month, days, period, year shifting. So these are the total 12 months in a year and these are the days. For one means January. January has a 31 days and February has a 29 days. March has a 31. April 30, May 31. So like that it is up to December. So if you are following our calendar will be April to March. So 4th is April and for us that period is the first period and May is the second period and June is the third period. December is the ninth period. After that, so January will be 10th period for us and February 11 and March is the year end for us, that is 12 March. So here if this is the year we are following. Our financial year be 24-25. So we are shifting. So these three period will go into the 2025 period. So only we are giving -1. That will be year shifting. So that will consider as a 2024. So that's the reason we are giving -1. So these the things I will copy all these, copy, and I will paste here. So it is updated. Date 29 to, I think here we have a 28 days. Okay, then I'll save. Okay, then I click on the save. Data not saved. Why it is not saved? 31st 12 is missing. Okay. 31st 12. Financial variant period is J0 incomplete. 3105 is missing. Okay. It's already updated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, here periods are missing 10, 31st, 7, 0, 11, 30, 8, 0, 12, 31st, 9, 0. 3 months here it is missing. Okay, now data is saved. We updated properly. Okay, now physical variant is created, and I am assigning this the created physical variant to my company code. So there is some other user also configuring with same thing. Yeah, this is server. So same server using many people with same configuration. So only will get that pop up, and that is for SM12. Select all, delete, click on delete. Okay, now deleted. So we are able to access this. I'm assigning our company code is JT01, and our physical variant we created JO, and save. So physical year variant is done. So I'm going to define variant for open and closing posting period. So here also new entry. Our company code is JT01, and here open posting period for JT01, our company code. We have created a variant for posting period, and I'm assigning again someone configuration, same thing, delete. Okay, I'm assigning our company code to posting period variant which we created with JT01. Okay, now I assign that posting period to my company code. So now we have a open and close posting period. So this is, we have to open for the particular month, that is, so here we have a ledgers. We have to open period for only those ledgers. Example, we have a customer and asset, GL accounts, material, contract accounts, and vendors. These are the types posting period. So in that one, so I'm selecting all, so everyone can post the uh, entries. So example, as we discussed here, so April, May, June. So this is the April. So April, I just open period only for April. So no, everyone can post all the JEs, whatever transaction they have to do only for April. No one can post any other month. So I just opening for that only particular period. So that period is first 1 and 2026. 1 and 2026. Everyone can post only for April period, not any other periods. So if anyone wants to post previous year, March means it is comes for previous year for us. If anyone wants to do some adjustment for previous year, so we can add here. Again, if any particular there is some adjustment for customer, asset, any GL accounts, if any GL accounts, we have to click on that GL account and we have to give 12 and 2025, 12 2025, then they can able to post for December, means last year, March. Okay, once so this is the configuration done for open and closing period. Everyone can post for first period, that is April. Okay, so this is configured. Physical year and posting period is done. Now I am going to configure for document types, define document types. So here for GL general ledger, we have a account type called SA. SA is a statement of accounts. So we have to give number ranges for each document: GL, customer, vendor, material, inventory. So I'm going to configuring for GL account. For GL account, that number range is 01, and I'm configuring the number ranges to my GL accounts. So our company code is JT01 and click on the interval. So SA number range is 01. Just now I showed you. The SA number ranges is 01. If you want, I will show one more time. I'll show you. Come back. So you can see number ranges for SA document type SA. For SA number range is 01. So again I'm giving my company code, intervals. So SA number range is 01, and whatever the GL transaction we do, that all document number comes under this number. So I'm giving to 1000 to 199. So all the GL transaction comes under the only this number ranges 1000 to 199. Then save. Okay, it is saved. Okay, come back. So document different document types is done. So I'm going to configure for field status group. This is under ledger fields, and this is the different field status. So I'm just creating a different field status variant. So this is the different field status variant. This is nothing but the whenever we are creating ledger, that ledger related to reconciliation or vendor or any other expenses income. So this field used for the creating a ledgers. It belongs to which accounts. So company code is JT01. So we did not created anything here. So here also we have a standard one. Standard one. I think 001, 3001. 3001. I just copy this one, standard one. I will give my company code JT01. I'm just copying all the fields. All fields are copied, and if you want, you can see the fields. So reconciliation, if you are creating any ledger for reconciliation, we have to select for CS67. And if anything we are creating any bank account, like we are creating HDFC bank account, so then we have to select it is comes under bank accounts. So these are the fields. So when we are creating ledger, we have to categorize that ledger comes under which field. Okay, so this is configuration is done. So in this also we have some configurations. So general data, additional assignments. So additional assignments, surplus means this is mandatory, and required entry means that this cost entry. Example, cost entry is optional. If it is required mandatory, if we can select surplus means if we are clicking surplus means it is mandatory. So we have to whenever you are posting JE, that cost center is required. Without cost center we cannot post that GL. We have to select that related, that cost related to which cost center. Okay, same thing for general data also. Whenever you are posting any journal entry, so in that one there is a number will be required, and text will be required, that any related what is that entry, the text is related, and invoice reference also required. This is nothing but whatever requirement needed for posting a JE. If it is mandatory, then you have to give the details. If it is optional, you can keep it as a optional. Okay, then coming back, so field status variant is done. Now I'm going to configure. This is the last one, tolerance. Tolerance groups and different tolerance groups for employees. This is we are configuring tolerance. This is nothing but employee limit. They can post limit for each document for certain amount. So example, if employee cannot post more than 100K. So that is what we are configuring the end users for this company ZT01. It is not there. Sorry, we have to click on new entries. Our company code is ZT01 and our company code is JT01, and I'm giving the limit up to 5 lakh, and I will give this one also 5 lakh open items. If there is any cash discount, they can do up to 5%. Then save. Okay, this is all about the today practice. If you have any questions, please put in the comment box. I will respond. If you need any more clarification, please let me know. I can cover in next session, or if you want anything, you can put me in comment box. I will connect with you guys. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.